Welcome. In front of me is a LEDGER Nano X, and today I'll show you how to change the pin on the device. So when you set it up at the beginning, you will have the option to set up a pin, and assuming you want to change it later on, I will show you how to do it right now. So get started by holding the two buttons at the same time. This will give you access to a couple information like battery percentage, locking it, and so on, but it also gives us actual access to settings. We do have access to settings on the home screen of the LEDGER, but that just doesn't have anything. You only can access the actual settings by holding the two keys. So from here, once you select the settings using those keys, confirm by pressing both of them, and then navigate to the security and change pin. And from here you can choose the new pin. So choose new pin of 4 to 8 digits. And now you can select the new pin. So just make a quick one just so you can see it. Now I'm gonna stick with a 4-digit one. You could keep on going. As you can see, there's a little check mark right here. So if I try to move further, it will just cycle through the numbers, but I'm gonna stick with just a 4-digit one. Now I need to confirm it, so I just need to type it again. Wait, apparently I mismatched the pin somehow, so let's try that again. And there we go. So it allowed me to change it, then I needed to confirm it, and lastly I needed to actually unlock the device once it was set. And that is how you change the pin. So from here, to leave this, all I need to do is scroll down, press both of those, can select back, and as you can see, we're now in the dashboard. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.